Here's how to add a cookie banner in Unbounce. There are a few ways you can add a cookie banner to your Unbounce account, and we're going to go through each of them. One way is by going through the settings. So, right here in your Unbounce dashboard, look on the left side until you find the settings option. Click on it, and a drop down menu will appear. From there, select Cookie Banner. After clicking that, you'll be redirected to this page. As you can see, under your domains, make sure to enable this option, all domains, so that your cookie banner appears on every domain you have connected. You can also enable your cookie banner on specific custom domains, just like this one. Once you're done setting it up, click Publish to enable your cookie banner. After you click Publish, all the domains added to your Unbounce account will automatically display a cookie banner, and that's the first way. The second way is by adding it manually to your landing pages or other websites. For example, let's add a cookie banner to one of your Unbounce landing pages. First, copy this code right here. Then go to All Pages and edit the landing page where you want to add your cookie banner. After clicking Edit, you'll be redirected to the classic Unbounce Builder. Now inside the builder, add a button widget. On the left panel, hover until you find the button option, then drag and drop it anywhere you want on your landing page. Once you drop it, the button properties will appear. You can change the button label to something like Cookies or Manage Cookies. From here, you can adjust its appearance, metadata, effects, and geometry. Now, under Click Action, make sure that action is set to go to URL. In the URL field, paste this hashtag cookie banner underscore open, then make sure the target is set to same tab or window. Once you're done modifying your button, click Save, then republish your page. After publishing, you can check your landing page in Unbounce. Click the Manage Cookies button. And if everything is set up correctly, your cookie banner should appear at the bottom of your landing page. And that's it. That's how to add a cookie banner in Unbounce.